Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into something that's a real game changer for higher ed institutions. We're talking about how to completely overhaul your academic hiring process, making it faster, way more targeted, and just better. So let's jump right in.
All right, first up, let's talk about a problem that anyone in university recruitment knows all too well. It's that constant, nagging challenge of trying to find truly top-tier academic talent in what feels like an endless sea of generic applications. You know the feeling, right? You're desperately trying to find those specialized, high-caliber candidates your institution really needs. You post a job, you wait, and the resumes that flood in just aren't hitting the mark. It's frustrating. And yeah, this really gets to the heart of the problem. The old way of doing things is just slow. It's complicated, it's expensive, and you end up with these huge, untargeted applicant pools. It makes reaching those super niche specialists you actually want feel almost impossible.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem, but what if there was a solution that was built from the ground up to solve these exact issues? Let's take a look at a platform designed specifically for the unique world of higher education.
So what is this thing really? Well, think of it as your own private label job board software. It lets any university or college build and manage a custom, branded careers page that plugs right into your own website. It puts you back in the driver's seat.
And this is how you take back control. You can post jobs directly to your own branded page, keep tabs on every single applicant in one clean dashboard, and even use AI-powered tools to help you find that perfect fit.
All right, that all sounds great in theory, right? But how does this software actually deliver faster, better results in the real world? Let's break down the features that really make a difference.
Now, this is one of my favorite parts, and it's a huge deal, especially for busy administrators. We're not talking about some long, drawn-out IT project. You can have your own professional job board up and running in literally minutes.
No, seriously. We are talking less time than it takes to make and drink a cup of coffee. In about 10 minutes, you can have a fully functional, beautifully branded careers page that's ready to attract the best talent out there.
But at the end of the day, it's all about the results. And this is where it gets really exciting. You immediately tap into a massive network of elite academics. You save a ton of time and money because you can post to multiple platforms with just one click. And you get to strengthen your own institution's brand with super easy customization.
So, this is the big question. How does a purpose-built tool like this really stack up against those generic, one-size-fits-all platforms that so many institutions are stuck using? Let's dig in.
It really boils down to this: a specialist versus a generalist. One is a precision tool, crafted specifically for the unique landscape of academia. The other is just trying to be everything to everyone, and that never works as well.
This table just lays it all out, plain and simple. With academicjobs.com, you get a laser-focused audience, a custom board that you own, and we even help you with posting. Compare that to the general boards where it's all self-service, you have no branding, and honestly, it can end up costing you more.
And hey, you don't have to take my word for it. Just listen to what a dean of faculty had to say. They launched in minutes and were immediately sourcing top-tier candidates for their most specific roles. That says it all.
So you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but it has to be a huge headache to set up, right? Well, actually, the whole process is designed to be incredibly simple so you can start seeing results for yourself almost immediately.
It's literally a 4-step plan. It's so straightforward. You sign up, you customize the board with your own logo and branding, you pop a simple piece of code onto your site, and that's it. You're ready to start posting jobs. We wanted to make this as effortless as possible.
And just to make this an absolute no-brainer, there's a completely risk-free way for you to try out everything the platform has to offer.
That's right, $0. For 2 full months, you can put the entire system through its paces, see how it works for you with absolutely no cost.
And there are no hidden catches here. The trial is exactly what it sounds like. You get 100% free access for 60 days. Remember, you can go live in under 10 minutes. There's no commitment. You can cancel anytime. It's the perfect way to try before you buy.
So if this sounds like something your institution needs, the next step is super easy. Just shoot an email over to book a demo. It's really that simple.
And that brings us back to the big question, doesn't it? After seeing how you can find better candidates, save time, save money, and build your institution's brand, are you ready to finally revolutionize your recruitment process?